All right, so I'm going to show you the new Facebook collections update for 2020 because what I'm noticing is a lot of people I don't think realize that you can now expose your collections to people, and I'm also going to be covering how you can use this for your benefit. But first of all, let me show you how to save something in case if you don't know. So you would see a post that maybe you wanted to save. You're going to click these three dots in the right-hand corner. Whoops. Right here, and then I'm going to say save post. And let's say I'm saving it to later. So that just saved that to later, right? But let's say I want to save this to an entirely new collection. It's going to give me the option to either mark it to public, friends, or only me. If you want it to be private, mark it to only me. You'll be able to type in whatever it is, I'll just say test because I'm going to delete this. And then you would create it and start putting it into this collection. But let's say that you actually wanted to go to your saved posts, which would be right here. And let's say that I wanted to change this from being only me to maybe the privacy settings, and maybe I wanted to make it public, edit, change the cover photo, whatever you want to do. It gives you some different options. But how you can use this for your business. So if it's something that's private, then obviously you want to mark it for private. So that way, every time you're saving new things into this collection, it's not exposing it to all of your friends and family, and then they're all seeing it. But if you want to make it public, then make it public. And here are the benefits of making it public. Maybe you are constantly sharing certain tips or tricks on a certain topic. You can actually create a collection specifically for that. Maybe it's if you're in personal training, maybe it's arm exercises. Well, you could have a public collection for your friends and family to see and go to that collection. And then they have basically an entire collection that they can use as a resource and begin going and viewing your collections. Sorry for the background noise. We have a cane corso and he has decided to start barking. So that is the new 2020 update. If you want it private, set it to private. If you want it to public so people can view your collection, set it to public so people can view that. And it would be a great resource for them to go and refer to. If you want more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. That way you're alerted on every single weekly episode that I upload and put up. If you are wanting to scale and skyrocket your business with the latest marketing strategies that are working today.